rode off, hit it, not a problem. What do all of these expressions have in common? Let's take a closer look at the fast D sound or flap T sound in American English pronunciation. Jose recently asked about sentences that use a flap T, fast D sound to connect words together in a sentence. Now, if you're not sure about the fast D sound or the flap T, be sure to take a look at this video, which goes into more detail about it. For just a very quick review, the fast D sound is when you have a T that takes on more of actually a D sound. So instead of t, t, it actually ends up sounding more like d, d. This is going to happen in a bunch of different situations, including when a word ends on a T and the next word starts with a vowel sound. So let's take a look at just a couple of quick examples. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Wrote off, wrote off. So instead of saying wrote off, you're going to hear more wrote off, wrote off. Hit it, hit it. Instead of hit it, you'll hear hit it. Hit it. It attacked. It attacked. So instead of it attacked, it's more it attacked. It attacked. Quit acting. Quit acting. So instead of quit acting, it's more quit acting. Quit acting. Not a problem. Not a problem. So instead of not a problem, it's more not a problem. Not a problem. Let's take a look at words that have T's and D's in their spelling, but actually have exactly the same sound thanks to this fast D situation. Hit it. Hit it. Paddle. Paddle. Heat it. Heat it. Rhoda. Rhoda. Wrote off. Wrote off. For more practice again on this fast D sound, be sure to check out this video as well as these other videos for American English pronunciation.